Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to create another makeup look, and for the first product I'm going to use the Pond's Super Light Gel Oil Free Moisturizer, and I really love this moisturizer. It's very light and amazing for the oily skin type. For my primer I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Primer. For the foundation, I'm going to use Maybelline Fit Me, and I'm in the shade 235 Pure Beige. For the concealer, I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Sand. For my eyebrows, I'm going to use the Etude House Drawing Eyebrow Pencil, and I'm in the shade Dark Grey. For my transition shade, I'm going to use the Professional Ultra Cheek palette, and I'll take the shade Creme as my transition shade. Then I'm going to use the pink eyeshadow, the bright pink eyeshadow from the palette Swiss Beauty. For my eyeliner, I'm going to use this blue eyeliner by Lakme. For my highlighter, I'm going to use the same palette, the Professional Ultra Cheek palette, and in that I'll take the shade Illuminator. For the blush, I'm going to use the Color Icon by Wet n Wild in the shade Mellow Wine. For the contour, I'm going to use the Sugar Mini Contour in the shade 02 Woody Wonder. For the lipstick, I'm going to use the Nika Metalicious in the shade Jade Rose. And to tone down its shade, I'm going to use the NYX Powder Puff in the shade Cool Intention. For the mascara, I'm going to use the Colossal Mascara, और मैं बिल्कुल भूल गई थी mascara यूज़ करना, so मैं इसे एकदम लास्ट में यूज़ कर रही हूँ. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.